Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download Call of Duty Warzone for free on your PC. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. To get started, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the search bar, type Call of Duty and open the official Call of Duty website. Once you're on the site, move your cursor over the Games tab at the top and select Call of Duty Warzone. Scroll down until you see the available platforms, then choose Battle.net. This will begin downloading the Battle.net installer. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. Select your preferred language, then approve the administrator prompt if it appears. Battle.net will now download and install automatically. When the installation is finished, sign in with your existing Battle.net account. If you don't have one yet, click Create a free Battle.net account and follow the steps to enter your country, date of birth, email address, and other required information. After signing in, you may be taken directly to the Warzone installation page. If not, open Battle.net, click the Games tab, select All Games, and find Call of Duty in the list. Click Play for free, enter your date of birth if prompted, and choose where you'd like to install the game. You can also decide whether to enable automatic updates and create a desktop shortcut. Once everything is set up, click Continue, then select Start Install to begin downloading the game. Keep in mind that Call of Duty Warzone requires around 84 GB of storage, so the download may take some time depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, go to the Installed section in Battle.net, select Call of Duty Warzone, and click Play to launch the game. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.